Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first launch Play Store application and now in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, we close, and tap to OK in the left hand corner. And now we'll see here information about our battery health. In my case, battery is in a good condition, and sure, we could see here more information like the battery level, capacity, temperature, model, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.